Hey, well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody's doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Thank you for asking. God bless you. I'm not back yet, but I thought I'd share some information that I thought was very important for for us who are domestic engineers and household managers, et cetera, et cetera. It's very important that we oversee our families and our homes the best we can with all diligence. And it's always good to share information and whatnot. Of course, we're still in the spring cleaning stage or season, I should say. And because that's what I'm doing. I normally do it all at one time, but I've been doing them in spurts right now, so which is working out good. But what I wanted to share, I did share it before, maybe over a year ago, because I cleaned out my refrigerator and or freezer, and I know a lot of us, we clean the outside of our refrigerators really good, and some of us even wipe down the inside, whether it's weekly or every time you do the dishes or whenever. But you got this water dispenser, you got to make sure that you are cleaning it as well. This is what I shared. It's probably been a couple of years now. It's been a while. But this nozzle, not just this nozzle where the water comes out, but all inside of here, all of this needs to be cleaned. I know some of us, you're probably wiping this area and that, but where this water is coming from needs to be clean. And if you need me to share what I do, what I use or whatever, let me know. But yeah, but basically I take a rag. You can even use a Q-tip, depending on how, you know, dirty it is or whatever. But I'll take a rag with I could use peroxide. Normally, I'll just use my vinegar and essential oil. But sometimes I also use peroxide and a baking soda and an essential oil and clean inside of it because sometimes it could get corroded. My refrigerator is a little older, so water just fell out of there, and it could, and it's been it's a little older and it's older, so you're gonna have other situations or whatever. But yeah, so you could use a Q-tip to get in there, or you can use a rag to get inside and around it, and then inside, because I'm still not done with this, although yesterday I did give it a little thorough cleaning and whatnot. I'm still going to go back through here with peroxide, baking soda, and an essential oil, because I think I'm going to either get a brush or either use a rag and just stuff that rag inside of this area and just let it sit there. Just let it sit for a couple of hours, whatever, just so it could really get that dirt and the germs and whatever out of there, just like you do when you in your shower stall. Sometimes you'll soak a rag or paper towel or something like that in areas where mold is prone to grow. You will use a diluted bleach solution on a paper towel or whatever, and just let it just sit there all day or whatever, just to get rid of that mold, because these things are dangerous, and we do have to look after our families and whatnot. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, because what happened was, even though I had just cleaned, I guess I missed it, but I'm always diligent to clean this area, especially during those spring cleaning times. And I do my spring cleaning or my deep cleanings like once per quarter. And I just did those things. As a matter of fact, I just changed the water filter for this dispenser. But nonetheless, yesterday we were using it, and as we were using it, for some reason it was leaking as you were using it, and we were like, what is this? What's going on? So I looked under there, and boy, was it a mess looking. So I had to go ahead and hurry up and clean that out real good, and that's what was backing it up. And I guess it was because also, like I said, I had just just changed the filter. We had just changed the filter, but we were overdue on changing that filter. So all kinds of, gunk and stuff was coming through or whatever. So anyway, long story short, let's be diligent, not just to clean the outside of your refrigerator or the inside of your refrigerator, but don't forget this water dispenser. Clean that nozzle and inside of here and inside of here and all in here, because even this lights fixture, I need to get this removed so that I can get inside of there too. So anyway, just all a part of our deep cleaning. So I'll talk to you later. Love you. Nice to see you guys. Bye-bye for now.